Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do another Suave hair product review, and for this particular mousse I want to see if it really provides volume, body, and lift. For more awesome videos, please subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications to never miss a video. Without further ado, let's get started with this review. To initiate with this hair product review, we're going to start off with the name of it and a little bit more things about this. So the name is Suave Max Hold Volumizing Mousse. There's a number 8 in the corner of the bottle. At the bottom we have for body and lift. The first thing everyone looks at is how big or small the bottle is. The one I got is it's a medium size. I've been using this hair product for at least 4 or 5 weeks and I haven't really seen a big difference with this product. So I don't know if it's because of the bottle or my hair. And the thing I do see is that my hair is getting a little bit more softer and shinier. The thing I really want for my hair. And here I have some pictures for you guys to see the difference between every mousse that you see at a store. So there's a Pantene and the one I have is Suave. And the main thing you want to see is the information they provide, because the information will help you decide which mousse is better for your hair. There are some Pantenes and Suave or other brands that say volume. Do you want minerals? Do you want vitamin enriched for your hair? Ultra control hold? Do you want body lift? And so many other things for your hair. And absolutely look for something that fits you are looking for. At the back of this container we have provides volume and control for less than more expensive brands. So it's saying there are more expensive brands that will probably not work out and other that are cheaper that can really work. Next we have Max Hold formula, gives hair body, volume, and lift. Next, vitamin enriched formula helps replenish all hair types, provides ultra control and hold without weighing hair down. And last thing is never too stiff or sticky. So that's the main thing people look for, is the product not to be sticky or the hair to be stiff or things that go wrong with that. Second part we have for this bottle is how to use it or directions. So it says shake can well, turn can completely upside down and dispense into hand, apply evenly from roots to ends. So it gives you a brief description of how to use it. The next part we're gonna do is we're gonna open this up and show you guys the texture of it and how it looks like. In every hair product I do, I like to show you guys the texture of the product. So for this one, I just got an orange index card just for you guys to have a clear visual of how the mousse looks like. It's basically just white, it's not liquidy, and it's really solid. As I'm dispensing the mousse into the index card, you can see that it looks like shaving cream and whipped cream. The texture of it is really simple. You can see that it's white. There's a really low odor with this. It's not really strong. Consistency of it is really soft. As you can see, it's not falling apart as other mousses. And the thing about this is that as I'm trying to move it, the index card does not fall apart unless if you touch it. And as you can see right now, it's just not sticky or all that after you apply some to your hair. And it's really good if you guys really want to try this out. And for this particular hair product, Suave, I would give it a 7.5. It really didn't do much to my hair besides just giving it a little bit more of volume and lift. If you guys want to purchase this Suave Max Hold Volumizing Mousse, I'm going to leave a link in the description box down below. If you guys have used this Suave mousse, comment down below what this Suave did to your hair. Did it make a big improvement? Your hair stayed the same, or you just saw no results? I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, turn on post notifications, comment down below any video ideas, and follow me on Instagram. That's BeautyJane25. Bye.